Hello friends, welcome to 7th day practice sessions. Today we will practice this kanji. Today onwards we will practice 5 kanji in a day because December exam is nearby and we are learning for that thing. We are practicing for that thing. So make it 5 kanjis in every day. Okay. If you can learn 2 or 3 kanjis in a day, it's okay, you just do it. Because I am doing for everyone, so I make it 5 kanjis every day. And you practice as much as you can do. Okay. This kanji, its meaning is ahead, Saki kanji. Saki. And it is developed from this picture. Okay. This kanji meaning is I, private, and Watashi or Watakushi kanji, and this is developed from this picture, like this is a rice stem and a person is carrying the rice. No? This is like move, this picture, and this is one kanji, Ichi. It is developed from this picture, one finger. It can be in some places you find it is developed from an arrow. Okay, and this is kanji is 2, meaning is 2, and you can say the knee, and this is developed from this picture, 2 fingers, and here also you can find in somewhere 2 arrows are there. Okay, and this is meaning is 3, san kanji, and it is also developed from 3 fingers. Okay, in some pictures you find 3 arrows are there, and this kanji also developed from this pictures. Okay, so Saki kanji developed from this picture, Watashi developed from this picture, and Ichi one kanji from this picture, and these are this. Okay, so let's start practice without wasting time. This kanji is Saki, meaning is previous or foregoing, developed from this picture. Okay, a person is going ahead. Okay, meaning is previous, or you can say foregoing. Kunyomi, onyomi. Kunyomi is Saki and onyomi is sen. Kakikata, how to write? Ichi, ichi ni, san, ichi ni, san si, ichi ni, san si, go, ichi ni, san si, go, roku. Kakusu, 6. Okay, let's write some words. Sensei, sen. So sensei no sen. Sei kanji is ikiru or umareru kanji. Okay, sensei. Instead of e, pronunciation can be a, and it is native pronunciation. Sensei. Sensei, teacher. You can say sengetsu, ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku. Chuki kanji you already learned, which is using for month. So sengetsu, last month. Saki, Saki means ahead. So let's practice this kanji. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, sensei no sen, sengetsu no sen. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, sensei no sen. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, sensei no sen. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, sensei no sen. Sengetsu no sen, Saki. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, sengetsu no sen, sensei no sen, Saki. Only you just practice these words. It is okay. Gradually you can able to remember. Okay, once more practice. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, sen, se, no, sen. Ichi, ni, san, si, go, roku, saki, ahead. San, si, go, roku, saki, ahead. Sen, se, no, sen, sen, getsu, no, sen, getsu, no, sen. Okay. Practice 3-4 times. It is more than enough to remember this kanji. Okay. Let's practice the next kanji. This kanji meaning is private. The person carrying the rice. This kanji made from this picture. Kunyomi, watashi or watakushi. Watashi also I, watakushi also I, but watakushi is politer form of watashi. Onyomi, si. Kakikata, how to write? Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san si, ichi ni san si go, ichi ni san si go roku, ichi ni san si go roku shichi. 7 stroke. Kakusu 7. Okay. Write some vocabulary. Only one vocabulary we can write now. Watashi or watakushi, I. Let's practice this kanji. Ichi ni san si go roku shichi watashi. Ichi ni san si go roku shichi watakushi. Ichi ni san si go roku shichi watashi. Ichi ni san si go roku shichi watashi. This is ki kanji. No, this is no, and this is katakana mu, katakana no. So you can together you can join no, ki, mu. Okay. Ichi ni san si go roku shichi mu watashi or watakushi. Okay. Hope you practice it. Let's practice another kanji. अभी हम पढ़ेंगे दिस कांजी. ए कांजी 1 है नंबर्स. नाउ वी एंटर टू द नंबर्स. ओके. इची and it is developed from these pictures like showing finger 1. No, generally we say finger 1. No, we also do that way. Meaning of this kanji is 1 kunyomi is hitochu and onyomi is ichi, single stroke. Okay. Kakusu 1. Words ichi, hitochu, counter of small things, and you can say hitori, person. Hito kanji we already learned, so we can say hitori. You can say also ichigachu. Gachu kanji we already learned, ichigachu. Ichigachu means January. Okay. Ichi 1, hitochu 1, using for things because this is a counter suffix of the things. Hitochu, futachu, mitsu, like this. Okay. And hitori 1 person. And ichigachu January. Okay. Like this you practice the kanji. You can read also this is ichi nichi. This words has 2 reading. One is ichi nichi. Ichi nichi. And another is chuitachi. Ichi nichi is 1 day. Chuitachi is first day of the month. This kanji has 2 reading. One is chuitachi, another is Ichinichi. Ichinichi means one day and Chuitachi means first day of month. Okay. So let's practice. Ichi, ichi, ichi. This is very easy, only simple a line. Okay. Practice these words, you can understand better. Similarly, this kanji is two, meaning is two, and it is developed to this picture. Okay, two fingers. This is can be in sometimes in somewhere also you find that instead of finger, this picture could be possible like arrow. Okay, this picture also could be possible to develop this kanji. Meaning is two. Kunyomi, Futachu, and Onyomi, Ni. Kakikata, Ichi, Ichi, Ni. The upper stroke is smaller, the lower stroke is bigger. You can also write Ni, two, Futachu, two things, or you can say Nigatsu. Gatsu kanji we learn, Chuki kanji, moon, Nigatsu, February, Feb. Next, you can say also Futari, two people, Futari. Okay. This way you practice the kanji. Okay. Ichi, ni, two, ni, two. Ichi, ni, meaning two. Futachu, nigatsu, futari. Okay. Ni, 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 ni. Okay. Hope you are practicing the kanji. Please practice 2-3 times. You can remember very nicely. Next, this kanji meaning is 3. It is developed from these fingers, 3 fingers, showing these 3 fingers. Okay. It could be also from 3 arrows. Meaning is 3. Kunyomi, Mitsu, and Onyomi, San. Ichi, Ichi ni, san. Ichi ni san, san 3. Sannin, 3 people or 3 person. Okay. Sangatsu, March. Mikka, 3rd day of the month. San, Sannin. Here this called as nin. Okay. In counter, this is also counter suffix of the people. When you count the people, this is a counter suffix. For 1, it is hitori. For 2 people, 2 person, it is futari. But when it is comes to 3 onwards, it is counter suffix is nin, and this kanji using for read as nin. Okay. Let's practice this kanji. Ichi, ni, san, san, sannin no san, sangatsu no san. Also you can say also mitsu. Mitsu means 3 things. Ichi, ni, san, 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 like this. Mitsu, mikka, sangatsu no san, sannin no san, san. Okay. Hope you practice the kanji. Today we practice Saki kanji and Watashi kanji. Next counter, ichi, ni, 5 kanjis. In next class we will learn another 5 kanjis. Yon, go, roku, nana and hachi. Today's practice session is this much. Let's meet tomorrow another 5 kanjis. Till that time, stay safely, stay healthy and learn Japanese language and practice kanji. Okay? Sayonara. Goodbye.